Welcome back, everyone. Spring break is over today, and starting this today and next throughout the until the end of the school year, we are going to do some online learning. And I wanted to kind of go over some stuff with you guys. What have I have set up for us as a class? If you guys notice on Microsoft Teams, we have quite a few. I have quite a few classes. You guys have been divided up. However, from now on, I will be actually combining all of you guys into one, and I wanted you guys to show you guys how to get into your Microsoft Teams. So Office 365, you want to go into Office 365. Once you get in, you want to log in with your short name at fresnounified.org. So when you click here, I am already automatically log in because I'm on my tablet. But here's when you log in, these are all the apps of what's available. Okay, you're gonna go to Microsoft Team and it's gonna open up a new tab. Also, remember Outlook right here is where your email is at. So please make sure if you have any questions, concerned, this is your Fresno Unified email. Outlook is the email. Microsoft Team is where we are going to be doing our classes and our assignments. I wanted to share with you guys that because I have 5 periods, period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's kind of hard to have like schedule different meetings with everyone. I have set up where all of you guys are going to be part of Miss Mua Distant Learning Crew, meaning that all of my five, like all periods, are going to be combined onto one. If you guys notice, I have set up a meeting for tomorrow, Wednesday, April 15th at 1 p.m. I will be on here and I will tell you, like, it will say meet now, and then you guys could join me. And tomorrow there's nothing, no assignments due. We're going to discuss about some of the things that we are going to be looking at for this quarter and your quarter grade. If you have any questions or concern, please shoot me an email at, of course, your Outlook. Remember your Outlook. If you don't know how to do the Outlook, I don't mind you emailing me through my kcms at gmail account. I will check that one and I will shoot you an email back. Like, for example, I have one student particularly, and he's been emailing me on Google, which is fine. But however, I do check my Outlook every day, so I definitely be using Microsoft. I'm not going to be using Google so much. Other than that, I will see you all tomorrow at 1 p.m. Have a great evening.